Well, my first impressions of driving the Model Y is it's very similar to the 3. I do like the more upright driving position. This is a dual motor, where the one I drive every day is a single motor, so it has a little more power. I've taken a couple fast corners, and I don't notice that it feels more top heavy. Maybe if I was on a track I would notice that, but in everyday driving it feels just as tight as the Model 3, I guess, as opposed to a Model S or a Model X that feel a little bigger, although I have not test driven the latest Model S or the latest Model X.